Hello everyone. Good morning class. This is Priyanka, your class teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Students, as you know, we are doing the topic transport. And on yesterday, we have learned about the traveling by land, means about the land transport. Today we will discuss about the topic traveling by air, means about air transport. Helicopter, aeroplane, helicopter, glider and hot air balloon, etc. These all can fly in the sky. That's why they are called air transport. Before going to start our session, open your book at page number 44. Air vehicles. Look at this picture. What do you see? The pictures of air transports. Aeroplane, helicopter, glider, hot air balloon. Try to identify the name of these vehicles, these transports, and call out the name of these vehicles. Now students, after identification of these vehicles, let's do an activity, and for the activity we need 10 ice cream sticks, a picture of any air transport, the picture of an air transport, glue and scissors. Now pick up the ice cream sticks and paste these sticks on the back side of the picture and write the numbers 1 to 10 on these ice cream sticks one by one. Now students, paste after pasting and writing the numbers on these ice cream sticks, now let it dry. After drying, cut the pictures along the gaps in between the sticks and to make one set. Now set the numbered strips in the correct sequence and continue this activity with other pictures of air transport. After doing this activity, now students, let's recite a rhyme on letter S, and the rhyme has given in Smart Study Gear app, and write the letters S while reciting the rhyme. Now let's do another activity. Take waste wire and twisting a piece of wire to form the letter S and sticking it on a sheet of paper. Students, stick it with the help of glue. Now, after doing this, open your book at page number 45 and read aloud and trace the letter S. Yes, capital letter S. Firstly, trace the letters on tracing, and after this, write the letter S into the given boxes and recite the rhyme on letter S while writing. Write it with the help of pencil. Now students, open your book at page number 46. Letter S. Which of these start with the letter S? Circle the pictures. First picture is star. Make the circle on the star. Next is leaf. Next one is sun. Make a circle around the sun. Next is cherry. Shoes. Butter. Next is S is for sunflower. Make a circle around the sunflower. Next is shirt. Make a circle around the shirt. H her hen. S her sheep. Make a circle around the sheep. Next and last one is S her ship. Make a circle around the ship. After doing these two pages, now students, open your workbook at page number 21. Tracing capital letter S. Yes, firstly trace the letters on tracing, and after that write the letter S into the given boxes with the help of pencil. Now open your workbook at page number 47. Tracing small letters. Now trace the small letters S on tracing. After this, write the letter S, small letter S, into the given boxes with the help of pencil. After doing these pages, now let's recite a rhyme, and the name of the rhyme is I'm a little aeroplane. I'm a little aeroplane way up high. I'm a little aeroplane way up high. With my big silver wings, watch me fly by. When the pilot tells me I will come down, when the pilot tells me I will come down, swooping and gliding to the ground, swooping and gliding to the ground. After reciting the rhyme, now students, let's do another activity, and for the activity we need a sheet of paper and glue. Let's make an aeroplane by using this page. By using this sheet of paper, try to make an aeroplane. You can take colored paper also. Now let's fly the aeroplane. But if you want to decorate it, you can decorate your aeroplane by the craft material. Now students, after doing this, have you enjoyed the session? Go, and this is a time of free play, and recite the rhymes we have already learned in the previous sessions. Thank you everyone. Stay connected with your teacher. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.